Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding with Nishant. Today is lesson 4, that is array. What is array? How we use array? What is the purpose of array? How array will be useful in our coding? Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to create one single playground app. My documents. Array. This is my application name. Okay, so make it full screen so that you can see everything properly. So what exactly array is? Okay, so array is a collection of values declared in one variable, one single variable, or you can say array is also a struct, which means they too have their own methods and properties we can use to query and manipulate the array. Okay, so today we are going to learn how we declare the array, how we use the array in our coding, how we declare array with the annotation like string, integer, and yeah, and how we are going to use properties of array because it has their own methods, because it's a type of structs. So this is all we are going to study today. Okay, first step, how we declare the array. Simple thing, where my array is equal to square bracket start, square bracket end, my first object. Okay, now if you wait for a while, it will show you here. Okay, so second is how we print arrays. Okay, print arrays, my array. Okay, so now if you see here, you can see here also, and you can see here also. It will take little time. Okay, now you can see. Okay, so this is how we declare the array. So as I said, array is the collection of object, and it's a kind of struct. That means you have array has its own method and properties which you can use to manipulate the data or values, or you can use you apply some queries to sort the data and find the index the data, and how you remove the data, how you append the data. Okay, so just suppose this is, and yeah, one more important thing, array start with the 0 index. That means the structure of array looks like something 0 1 2 3. That means first object will go here. Okay, first object, then similarly second object will go here, second object, then similarly third object, fourth object, and vice versa. That means the object which is first will be on 0 index, second object will be 1, third object will be on 2, and third fourth will be on 3. So this is how the structure look like. I have just explained you. For example, I'm going to remove it. Okay, so just suppose this is your first object. Just change the content. Okay, just take the fruits name. Okay, so mango will be the first object. Now these values will be comma separated. Okay, second value will be banana, third value will be orange, fourth value will be pineapple. Okay, so these values are comma separated, in double quotes and start square bracket and end square bracket. So this is how your array will look like. If you print it, see, can you see here? This is array. Now second thing is how you append values in array. Just suppose you have one array and you want to append something, like you want to append one more value. Okay, so you will use my array. Just like I said, array has its own methods which we are going to use. Okay, so just suppose append, and now you will add one more value here. That will be something like kiwi. Okay, so now if you come here and click here, it will show you kiwi at last index. Now you see here and you can see here also. Okay, so this is how you can append values in existing array. And now if you just suppose you want to know how to count the values of array, you can simply do array count. Okay, so your array name is myArray and you can simply put count. Okay, now if you see, it will give you the number of values. So 1 2 3 4, 1 you added here which is appended, 5. Now if you try to remove it, let's see what happens. Okay, now I'm going to remove one value, remove. Okay, let's see, it is giving error because I did it intentionally, because it wants the value of its index, from which index you want to remove this value. Okay, just suppose I told you initially you have 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. Now if you try to remove at 0 index, let's see what happens. Okay, 3. So from 0 index this value got removed. Now you have only 3 values in a count. Just suppose you try to remove from 0 1 2 index. Okay, let's see what will be the result. Still 3, because now you removed from the 0 here 2 index. Now value is 0 1, I mean like 1 2 3, you remove this value. Okay, so here you can see the count also. And just suppose you print the array only, then also you can see which value is got removed. Okay, let me show you. See, so orange is removed. If you try to remove the last value, that is 3 0 1 2 3, now if you will see, pineapple will be gone and banana will be in and orange will be in. Okay, this is how you can remove value, append value. Now I'm going to use one more method of array, that is first in index. Okay, let's see what it does. Okay, myArray dot first index. Okay, now if you copy any value here, orange, and put it here and now hit run, it will tell you hold on. Okay, yeah, so not count in my array. Okay, now run it. My first index of orange. Okay, now if you try to print this value, okay, now try to print this value. Let's see what it says. Okay, see what is saying? 2. 2, that means 0 1 2. It is giving you 2 with the optional. Optional means that value can be or cannot be. So if in that case you can use I can create a separate video for optional values, optional chaining, optional binding. For now let it be. Okay. Okay, so what else we are going to use today? You saw the append, how we use first index, how. Okay, so yeah, first index and how we print the value, how we sort the. Okay, now check how we can sort the array. Okay, or you can say values. So we can use sorted property. Okay, so if you click here, see your array got sorted by alphabetical order. Okay. Okay, banana came first. This is how you can do sorting. Okay, you already know how to remove it. Now we will learn how to annotate array. Okay, so we can just suppose use a string and declare the array, empty array. Okay, now just suppose we append something here, myArray.append. Okay, now it's a string value. Okay, so let's enter something, uh, banana. Okay, and let's print my array. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, now banana. Okay, we have appended a string value. Now try to use any integer value and let's see what happens. Nope, see, it's not allowing you. So every time if you use integer value or string value or any value, that means it's a type of array which holds kind of data. If you have a string value, you can use only string value, or you can, if you have integer value, you can only use integer value. So this is how you can annotate the data. Okay, so one more thing I would like to um, uh, let you know, guys, like these are the properties, these are the method, this is the array, how you declare array, uh, which help you to understand how you can use array in future. Okay, I think you hope you like my video. If you have any question or any concerns, you can simply comment on below. I will be more happy to help you out in this regard. Any question you can directly comment it, so it will be a pleasure for me to solve your queries. Thank you, have a good one, bye.